So it looks at the moment if we've got 94 Matt Buckley and 46 Levi Sherwood are going to be the front row. Then we've got 7V Glenn Hoos, 6V Neville Thompson, 24S, that's Mark Willens, 12V Brent Hoos, 74 Ben Hoos, and running off the back is going to be the 10V car of Jordan Russ. So they're starting to come into formation now. And they're going to get underway nice and quickly. So 46 Levi Sherwood, he's the pace setter. So just roll around turn 3 and 4, ready for some action. And away they go, and immediately it's Buckley that jumps out into the lead, followed by Sherwood. Here comes 6 Neville Thompson through, and the 7 car of Glenn Hoos. 24 Mark Willens, he makes a run down the inside, gets past Thompson, but it's Buckley leads. Been a big improver this season, new to the midget class at the beginning of the season, but he's really starting to get up to speed. Behind him, 46 Levi Sherwood, 7 Glenn Hoos, 24 Mark Willens, 12 Brent Hoos, then 6 Neville Thompson, 10 Jordan Rush, 74 Ben Hoos. While they battle for positions behind him, Matt Buckley, he's just happily sitting out there in front. He's got no traffic to worry about. He can just drive his own race. Levi Sherwood in second place. Then we've got 7V Glenn Hoos, 24 Mark Willens, 12 Brent Hoos. Oh, we've got a car overturned down here on the wall. Matt Buckley leads, but he's got Levi Sherwood and Mark Willens right behind him. Oh, but he gets a great start. Jumps out 2 or 3 car lengths ahead of Sherwood. Sherwood's coming back at him now, but Buckley was able to get a good start there. Hopefully he can keep that momentum. Taking a very tight line around that corner. Both guys throw the cars sideways into turn 2. So it's Matt Buckley continues to lead from Levi Sherwood, Mark Willens, 12 Brent Hoos, he's up into that battle as well. Oh, this time it's a 74V car spins. Look at Sherwood creeping right up onto Buckley's bumper, but Buckley sets the pace. Mark Willens, he's up there as well, so's 12 Brent Hoos. Again, it's Buckley though, manages to jump out by a length. Here's Sherwood, makes a big slide. Oh, and he's going to turn himself around, and he gets clouted by 3 cars. Oh, you could see that coming. Levi Sherwood putting a huge slide job into turn 1, but he just got himself turned around. Then he took out the 24 car, the 12 car, the 74 cars only just rejoined the race, and he was the last one in on that.